Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com, and we're going to discuss today under our Binary Options Academy projects. We're going to discuss one of the most important part, if not the most important part, when trading, not necessarily when trading binary options, but when trading in general, and we are talking about here money management. Money management when trading binary options. Now, what does it mean, money management when trading binary options? First of all, it all starts from what? It all starts from a trading account that one has. And let's say that this is a trading account. Let's put in here, let's try to illustrate the trading account. This one in here is a trading account. So we go like this, and we say that this is the trading account. Now, after deciding the size of the trading account, you gotta decide, you gotta consider what to invest, first of all, how much to invest, second of all, and then you are looking at technical and fundamental analysis. So we have basically the following. We are looking at the size of the investment, and then of course we are considering as well the reason or technical and fundamental analysis, and of course we are considering the object, or what are we trading. When it comes to binary options, one can trade currency pairs, other one can trade indices, commodities, specific equities. It doesn't really matter. So what to trade, and then everything, or all the result out of these three factors should be filtered with an appropriate expiration date. That is key. Regardless if you are looking to buy a call option or to buy a put option, regardless on the fundamental and the technical reasons for that, if you are not calibrating your expiration date with the portfolio and with the binary option that you are trading, then all of it is useless. Now, useless. What's the first thing to start? Now, in order to make a sound money management plan, let's put it in here. The first thing to do, so number one, it all goes with economic calendar. The economic calendar. Now, the economic calendar, it is being recommended to be consulted over the weekend. So on Saturday or on Sunday, what I will do is to look at the economic calendar for the week above, or for the week in front of you. And normally, let's try to do an exercise. This is this week, so we are on the week of November, between the 22nd and the 28th, and we are looking on a Wednesday, and let's make a trading plan assuming that this is a Saturday or Sunday, and then we're looking for the economic calendar for the period for the next week. And what did we see? This is Sunday, and we're looking on a Monday. On a Monday, we are looking at the economic calendar only on the red events. Not other events are not interesting for us. And we have out of UK nothing important in here, nothing from here. In Australia, we have the mid-year economic and fiscal outlook. In China, we have the manufacturing PMI, which we know that is affecting the Australian dollar because it is Australian exports are going more than 1/3 into China. The cash rate and the interest rate decision in Australia. And then on Tuesday, we have the manufacturing PMI, then the ISM manufacturing in the United States. The first one was in UK. The GDP in Australia. So already we know there is a heavily Australian data on the wires next week. Then on Wednesday we have the Bank of Canada rate decision. The Fed, Yellen speaks. Let's see what the Fed is speaking. Well, due to speak the Economic Club of Washington DC. And then on Thursday, the all important ECB, but also Fed Yellen testifies before the joint monetary Joint Economic Committee in Washington DC. So this is pretty important as well. And the whole week ends with Canadian data and with the non-farm payroll. So pretty heavy week ahead of us on from an economic point of view. So if we go back on our trading plan, we know that the Australian dollar, the US dollar, and the euro as a whole are going to be in focus. Or if that is the case, then those are the currency pairs that are supposed to travel. If we have, based on the technical analysis, this was a fundamental analysis. If we have, based on the technical analysis, a bullish or a buy or a bearish plan on any of those currency pairs, then we should go and take into consideration the economic events in order to calibrate the expiration date. Find out how on the next recording.